Healthing was created with the objective of transforming clinical research, expanding knowledge of diseases, and improving people's health. We are talking about a new digital model of clinical research that aims to generate real-world evidence in a new digital society. In the current clinical research model, based on clinical trials and observational studies, there are some limitations that restrict the extrapolation of results to real-life population. Factors such as the degree of adherence, therapeutic compliance, real-life patient heterogeneity, and socio-demographic, environmental, or lifestyle differences generate results that differ from those obtained in traditional clinical research. The current research environment does not reflect the real population. Information is needed from a large number of patients in a real environment. The aim is to reduce the distance between clinical evidence and real evidence. We currently have technology in our hands to go further in clinical research. Healthing changes the rules of clinical research by focusing on patients, collecting and using hundreds of health data that they generate in their daily life through their smartphones. This allows us to reach a much larger sample and obtain many more variables, which are accurately collected. This new research model is fed by 3 data sources to generate real-world evidence. The patient is the first source of information. Through a mobile application, patients enter baseline data on their pathology, treatments, health status, quality of life, symptoms, and more. The second data source is the mobile device itself. Nowadays, we store a large amount of information on our terminals, including diet, health status, or physical exercise. As the use of wearables such as activity wristbands, digital scales, or smart glucometers increases, health information stored on our mobile devices also increases proportionally. One of the most important variables that we obtain from patients' devices is location, and this information provides us with the third source of data. Thanks to patients' geolocation, we can link their health information with external databases such as weather, relative humidity, air quality, rain, solar radiation, pollution level, areas with some allergens, and others. Thanks to the large volumes of real-life data obtained from patients, we can apply big data algorithms and statistical techniques to detect patterns and new clinical evidences, real-world evidence. This new model of clinical research surely needs the collaboration of patients. We are talking about participatory research, and we need to provide enough value to the patient to download and use the app in order to achieve it. The more value and security we provide to the patient, the more information will be generated. We are empowering patients through an application that helps them monitoring and managing their diseases. This new research model places patients at the center of the research. Patient centricity empowers them, patient empowerment, and involves them in the research. Patient engagement. Patients change their role from passive to active, from patients to researchers who are responsible for generating new evidences and providing health information that will revert to their own benefit. The medical community of researchers and scientific societies play a key role in this new model. They are responsible for leading this type of clinical research. Patients trust them and feel more confident to share with them their health information. With Healthing, we obtain real-world data to generate real-world evidence and improve and complement the traditional clinical research model. Healthing is the new digital clinical research. Do you want to lead the future of clinical research?